Now we clean the fat, and now we're gonna cut them and grind it.
Okay.
So, oh, we gotta things set up here.
Here it is.
Back in the old country, everybody makes it, once a year in the winter, usually around December. They kill a pig, they make sausage, they make prosciutto, they make capicola, they make bacon, they make everything, and they put them away. So the whole year, they got some food to eat during the year. So everybody, it's a family, every family does that. Well, I put some in the bag too, because if you want to make lasagna or something, I'll show you how to do it.
Oh, right. Oh, that's a good idea.
No, I'll show you.
That's good. Put it in
And 0.4. So we got 28, so we multiply by 28. 11 ounce, 0.2.
Okay.
That's the salt.
Okay.
I don't taste it, it's a perfect way to do
Yeah.
it.
Some
Okay.
people put too much.
Yeah, and
but
it
you
does.
taste the fresh.
Yeah. But his is thick sausages.
Okay, now the heart,
Oh, we do it like you, we like it.
yeah,
You want it all hot, Rosie?
no, I cannot, no,
Like you guys do it.
it comes too
I
hot.
don't know if she wants them all spicy as well,
Oh, yeah, we want all spicy.
This, and see how we like it, and then I'm gonna put some mild too, otherwise it will come too hot.
Oh, what are you putting in there?
That's, they call them cayenne pepper.
Cayenne.
Yeah, it's hot.
Straight cayenne or is that other spices?
That's cayenne, yeah.
What's a straight cayenne?
Yeah. Okay. So now we can put some like the mild.
And what else did you add already in here?
I got the salt, the fennel seeds, and some cayenne. And I'm gonna put some mild pepper, that way they don't come, if you put all hot, then they're real hot.
And mild, is that like paprika?
Yeah, that's they call them in New Mexico.
Yeah.
And oozes a little bit hot.
You don't like
That's
it?
the job mixing it.
You don't like it hot? Stay out of the kitchen. That's what I say.
So it's
Yeah.
actually hotter. Like sandwich.
So you just go by the color, right?
Yeah.
Now you just go by color.
You put how much you want. Yeah.
Then we get some tortillas. Cook it up.
Make some
A
tacos.
little cilantro. Some fresh onions, some lime. Make tacos.
Calabrese.
Calabrese tacos.
Mix goes away.
And Mexican fusion.
You combine the two.
Combine them.
Yeah, it's like a Chicano tacos. My neighbor's Mexican.
Yeah.
Well, the same.
Same thing. You mix.
Yeah, opposite Chicanos.
Yeah, it's very big.
They don't want no mild, all hot. Hot pepper. I don't know how they eat it.
You know what? I like it, but then the older I get, and my brother told me it was the same way the red pepper would upset the stomach after.
Uncle Otis.
What?
Uncle Otis can't eat hot.
Really? That must be hard for him.
Yeah, I mean he put some in and made it too hot. The soup he had. It's usually like, oh man, I ruined it. I can't eat it.
You missed the process. You were supposed to.
And nephew and nieces, known as grandson.
Yeah.
When I make them, he said, "Oh, can you make a hot?" They're good, but can you make a hot? I said, "Well, I'm gonna use all hot."
Right.
I said, "That's all I use, the hot pepper."
They put hot sauce on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, first,
Yeah. Let it go down. Then
sample.
For the sausages. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. See? Need the more meat.
Okay.
I'll come in.
I don't want to run my hands. It's okay, no worries.
No, you go like this. Okay, now somebody tie it.
First, whatever you do.
Can we keep it out here?
Yeah, no, that's okay. Okay, you put it here.
Is that alright?
Put it like that way. Hey, you tie them up. So, let's put it here. Okay.
We only put it where?
Whatever, yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
There may be a couple cookie sheets.
Like
Can we
that?
slide one in over here?
It's
Tighter, I can't do it tighter. Maybe.
comes out. So what is we want to put them there? The sausage?
Yeah, that's good. So that's the first one. Kevin.
Can we cut it in the
Yeah.
middle?
Yeah.
Then you know, sort if you put too much oil, I had a choice of sheets here. Right.
Oops.
Just one way up.
You need wine when you do this, don't you think?
Huh?
You need to drink wine when you make
I
this
know.
sausage.